everybody, it's Black Kung Fu here. Oh, what am I doing? I'm just counting my cash budget for the week. You know, one of the coolest ways I like to save money. One thing I don't like is bank fees. I hate when you go to the bank and they charge you all these fees. ATM fees, overdraft fees, service charge fee, I'm a me fee. Wait a minute, I am me. You can't charge a fee for being me? Oh, wait, maybe that's something else. Anyway, I just don't like the way the banks treat you. I keep a cash budget. Why? Because cash is king. Anytime you have cash, there's no problem. If you ever notice, some gas stations, they prefer cash over debit. You ever see on a gas station, price of the gas for per gallon is $3, and then you go inside, pay with your card, then you notice now it jumped up to $3.90? How'd that happen? Because it's a different price if you pay for cash. A cash budget is great. The reason why, it's easier when you count the cash. You think about it. You're like, well, wait a minute. If you want to go get a burger and fries, it costs $4. When you swipe it, you don't think about it. Everybody doesn't check their balance before they swipe their debit card. It's a really important thing to do. Make sure you check your balance before you start swiping. There's nothing to do. Check in the morning. When you get up in the morning, just make it a habit. Check your Instagram, check your Facebook, check YouTube, see if Cheap Not Broke posting any new videos. And also check your bank account, check your balance. Make sure nothing's been overdrafted. But when you have a cash budget, you don't have to worry about that. I myself, I like to take out about $100 a week. $100, I try to make it 2 weeks, 3 weeks off of that. Now it's kind of hard, but I use it for my lunch and my gas. I don't spend all my money with my cash. I have certain items allocated just for the cash budget. Because you know you're going to eat. You know you got to buy gas. You know you got to pick up a couple things here and there. Just take out $100 cash. It's easier. You don't have to run to the ATM every time you need $20. It saves you a lot of time. You don't have to worry about going into traffic. You don't have to try to find some place to take out money. Especially on a Friday night. Oh my God. You ever want to go party on a Friday? Get down and then you realize I don't have any money. Then you got to ask a friend. And your friend's not cheap, not broke. So they don't have any money to give you. Oh man, I hate that. A cash budget is great. It takes no effort. When you get paid, just take out about $100 cash. Don't walk around with all the money on you. Just keep it in your house. Keep it somewhere place safe. Keep it somewhere safe. In a safe is good. That works great. Keep it somewhere where you can access the money when you need it. You don't want to run to the bank 4 or 5 times a week trying to get out cash. Keep a cash budget. Every time you spend, you got to count it. When you swipe your debit card, you don't think about it. When you count your cash, you think 2 times and you say, you know what? I don't need that. If you like this video, subscribe. Like this video. Hit that alert button so next time I post something, you can see what it's about. Go to cheapnotbroke.com. Get a t-shirt. Until next time, stay cheap, not broke. Black Kung Fu.